Hello traders, welcome to Dot Charts. Hope everyone are doing good. Let's see what happened to the market today. This is Nifty's 5 minutes chart. Nifty opened with a huge candle. It opened at 18,454, gone down up to 18,365 due to large number of buyers. And the first candle itself, it reached up to 18,500. That's where exactly our CPR. And 940 candle was broken up the previous day high. Since it's a huge buy, we should not take any trade here for buying side. For selling side, there is no any convincing candles. And selling side, immediately there is CPR, so we should not go for selling immediately. Next place, we should wait near 20 EMA. These candles near 20 EMA, if you see some bullish candles, you may take a trade. Your stop loss will be below 20 EMA. And it's not only 20 EMA support, there is a previous day high support too. So it's a double confirmation. The market may take a rest here and go high. So the best trade here is after 1035 bullish candle, you can enter into the trade. Your stop loss will be below 20 EMA. That is just 10 points. Your target should be at least 1:2. But 1:2 is very less because your stop loss is small. So you may go for 1:3. 1:3 is achieved within 1 hour. Otherwise, your target can be until the 20 EMA broken down. So these all candles never touch the 20 EMA. So you may hold the trade until it break down the 20 EMA. Again, it touched here, but it was not broken down. Even now, you may hold the trade. So if you concern about intraday, this is the right place to finish your trade. If you continue this trade, within 2 hours, this trade might have given 1:5.7. Such a best trade because Banknifty also was bullish. Let's see in Banknifty. Banknifty also opened with the bullish candle. The structure is same like Nifty. Even though it opened below the previous day low, in the first candle itself, it broken up the previous day low. So the target will be at CPR. But if you take a trade on the first candle itself, it is very difficult to keep your stop loss. But it is not only previous day low. Here I show you. We have a reaction line too. This reaction line we made because many times it touched this line. The line was 42,860 around. So if you take a trade here, your stop loss should be below this line. Already there is previous day low plus reaction line too. Only pro trader can keep the stop loss in the right place according to this one. But beginners, we should wait for the right place. According to beginners, it's not a right place. But the target was achieved. So there is no any trading opportunity in the Banknifty. But see, market has reacted exactly on our reaction line. This reaction line we made according to yesterday's price action. Today also, it got enough resistance here. 3 times it rejected, but as per our setup, there is no any trading opportunity. Okay, let's prepare the chart for tomorrow. This is Nifty's day chart. Today's highlight in Nifty is Nifty has touched the all-time high. But after that, this much of rejection printed. So we just want to move the all-time high to 18,615. So this is the only thing we need to change in day candles. Let's see in 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, we need to mark days high and days low. Days high is exactly 18,615 as well as all-time high. And days low is bit far. That is 18,366. In between, we have to mark a breakout line. Breakouts are not only in intraday. If previous important line is broken up, that is also a breakout line. Compared to yesterday's trade, we have a breakout line here. That is 18,533. Next support is 18,444. We have a buying zone here. If market comes down here, there are more chances to take a reversal from 18,444. Below that, we have days low and previous swing high, that is 18,350. 18,350 will be star level supporting area. Since it's a previous swing high, the market, once it touches, there are more chances to turn back. Below that, we have a virgin CPR of 24th November. If you want to see upper side, if you want to mark with the pivot points, the first target will be 18,660. The second target will be 18,760. So the levels of Nifty 18,615, 18,533, 18,444, 18,350 and a virgin CPR. Let's look for any selling or buying zone in 15 minutes. This may be our buying point. Our first buying zone is here around 18,533. The next buying zone, there is no change here, around 18,444. Let's prepare the chart for Banknifty. This is Banknifty's day chart. Here we need to mark the all-time high. The all-time high is 43339. And today's low is also important, that we will mark in the small time frame. Let's see in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, according to yesterday's price action, there was a selling zone. Today's market didn't touch the selling zone, so it's still valid. All-time high already we marked, that is 43339. So let's mark today's high and low. Today's high is here, today's low is here. And this reaction line, we need to change it according to today's price action. That is a breakout line. And the breakout level is 42950. And even for tomorrow, we need to hold this zone, buying zone. If tomorrow it's pierced, then we can remove. Below that, we have day's low as well as virgin CPR. And we have a star level too. And the star level is 42,555. Since there is a virgin CPR nearby, we can remove this zone. So the levels in Banknifty, there are two virgin CPRs below. Star level is 42,555. Another virgin CPR and days low. The breakout line here, 42,950. Days high and 43,339. Let's see in 15 minutes for any selling zones. There is a selling zone which persists already. Next zone we need to mark. It's a small zone but gives high importance. And there is no enough buying zone. We have a virgin CPR as well as days low. That's all about Banknifty. These both charts will be posted in our social network. Search for dot charts, DOTCHARTS in Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section. It will be replied as soon as possible. Mark these levels in your chart before you start trading tomorrow. Trade responsibly. Thank you.